Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Till now we have studied about land travel and air travel. So in our today's session, we will learn about water travel and fuel. We will also discuss few questions and their answers. So let's start. Let's check our yesterday's homework. Match the following. First one is helicopter. Second, auto rickshaw. Third, aeroplane. And fourth, motorcycle. Okay, now let's learn about water travel. Boats and ships move on water. Boat. A boat is normally used in a lake or a river. A sailor sails the boat on water. Ship. We can travel in a ship on seawater. Many people can travel together in a ship. शिप में बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं. Ships are used to carry goods to different countries. Now, let's see some more examples of water travel. Steamer. A steamer is used for moving goods or people through a large river. It is smaller than a ship. Submarine. A submarine can sail over the sea. It can also sail under the sea. मतलब सबमरीन सी के ऊपर और सी के अंदर दोनों जगह पे सेल कर सकती है. Now let's understand what is fuel. Vehicles need fuel to run. Vehicles को चलने के लिए फ्यूल चाहिए. कौन कौन से? Like petrol, diesel, coal, CNG and electricity are examples of fuels. Some vehicles give out smoke that makes the air dirty. कोई vehicles में से बहुत सारा धुआं निकलता है और वो हमारी एयर को पॉल्यूट करता है, डर्टी करता है. We should walk or use a cycle for short distances to keep the air clean. हमें कहीं पास की जगह पे जाना हो ना तो हम पैदल जा सकते हैं या तो साइकिल पे जा सकते हैं और इस तरीके से हम एयर को क्लीन रख सकते हैं. Now let's see a video.
Can you name these vehicles? Moving from one place to another is called traveling. We move on foot or use vehicles to travel from one place to another. Things that help us to travel are called means of travel. There are different means of travel. Some move in the air, some move on land, and some move on the water. What means of travel do you and your family use every day? Do you travel to school in a school bus, by foot, or on a bicycle? Perhaps your parents travel to work in the train or metro. When people have to go far away to visit their relatives or on a vacation, they may take a long distance train or a flight. When did you last go out of your city and how did you travel? Some vehicles give out smoke that makes the air dirty. We should do our best to walk or use a cycle for short distances to keep the air clean. What are some other vehicles that you have seen or traveled in?
Words to know. Traveling means moving from one place to another. Vehicle, a thing used for moving goods or people from one place to another. Tracks, rails or the two metal lines on which a train moves. Let's recall. We move from one place to another in different ways. There are different vehicles that move in air, on land, and on water. Some vehicles give out smoke while moving, which makes the air dirty. Now, let's discuss few questions and their answers. What do you understand by means of travel? Things that help us to travel are called means of travel. Second question. Give two examples each of the means of travel on land, water, and in air. Answer. Land travel, bus and train. Water travel, boat and ship. Air travel, aeroplane and helicopter. Okay students, now it's time for today's homework. Circle the vehicles which are used in water travel. Here you can see 4 pictures, right? उसमें से वाटर ट्रैवल में जो व्हीकल्स यूज़ होते हैं उससे आपको सर्कल करना है. Students, I hope you will read the lesson properly and solve the worksheet. Goodbye.